In front of me is the LENOVO Tab K11E, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to tap on this section, which is Biometrics and Passwords. Then hit Passwords under Ways to Unlock and pick one of those. Swipe pattern, pin or password. Personally, I never recommend swipe because it doesn't give you any security whatsoever, just a cool animation. So pick one of those to be safe and then create it. If you made a mistake, don't worry, hit clear and redo it correctly. When you're sure, you can enter it again to confirm it, and then select Done at the bottom. Last but not least, answer this question by choosing one of those options. What do you want your lock screen to show? Show sensitive content only when locked? Show sensitive content only when unlocked? Or don't show notifications at all? Whatever you decided, when you finished, hit Done. So when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!